me at the grocery store, just like she has 100 times before. She wrote it on a note that I just read. Well, I ain't lazy and I ain't lame, but to move right now would be a crying shame. And I just can't seem to get on out of this bed. Maybe there's something I can do right here instead. But wait a minute.
What, Grandma?
All I need is some goofy gas. There ain't nothing you can pass. I'm running around on goofy gas. Goofy gas, guaranteed not to come in last. I'm running around on goofy gas. Pick it. Okay. I got my car looking oh so clean. Done run her through the robo machine. I got her waxed and shiny all around. But she ain't much to brag about, 'cause I never could seem to get her out of the robo wash where she lies broke down. I wish there was something I could do to bring her around. But wait a minute, you know what she needs? Goofy gas! There ain't nothing you can pass. I'm running around on goofy gas. Goofy gas, guaranteed not coming last. I'm running around on goofy gas. Pick it! Don't mind if I do. Goofy gas, there ain't nothing you can pass. I'm running around on goofy gas. Goofy gas, guaranteed not coming last. I'm running around on goofy gas. Stop it!
Don't mind if I do.
Goofy gas.